Okay, so I'm going to go over what's included in our tech and amenities package. So what we include in our tech and maintenance package is our sewer, water, trash. I'm going to write all these down so you can screenshot them at the end so you can reference them later. Internet, landscaping, exterior maintenance, and I forgot exterior insurance. This is also included in the HOA insurance that we did a separate video on explaining that a little bit. Clubhouse, if the community has a clubhouse, the pool, the dog park, and then any other amenities. Sometimes we'll have like a basketball court, volleyball court, things like that. So all of this is included in our $75 a month tech package, and that's on some of our past projects. So going forward, all of our projects are going to be smart home packages. So I'm just going to write this up here, $75 a month. This is $125 a month. These are non-negotiable for the tenant. So what's included in the $125 is everything that's up here, and then we have your smart home package. So we have a Nest thermostat, a Ring doorbell, and keyless deadbolt. So that's what's included in our tech and amenities package here at the Fourplex Investment Group.